Ooh, the truth. 777. Come on. Welcome to my channel. I'm back. I do this because I am what I am and I do what I do. And I'm not no human NHI baby. You know what I'm talking about? So anyway, we got Mr. Trump here. He goes ahead and sign a bill on his own. He said, "Bump it. Y'all don't want to come to an agreement? I will take it upon myself and do it." See, I signed the bill to relieve millions of Americans. I do that. Y'all gonna pump fake? I got it. But anyway, I wanted to talk about how Trump is spilling the beans in these interviews, bro. Do you know he called the coronavirus the China virus? Many other things in the China virus. Very terrible what they have done to our country and releasing the China virus. You see? So he's throwing cold and he's saying that these people are making billions and millions of dollars. You know what I'm saying? And basically eating off the people. You know what I'm talking about? Dang.